In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items between Notion pages with ease. Whether you're organizing your workspace or simply tidying up, understanding how to transfer content without losing its format or structure is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure everything goes smoothly. First things first, you want to start by identifying the destination page where you'd like to move your content. Once you've located it, navigate there and look for the star icon at the top of the page. Clicking this star icon will add the page to your favorites. Why is this helpful? Well, once a page is favorited, it conveniently appears in the sidebar under the Favorites section. This little trick makes it much easier to access later, especially when you're in the midst of moving information around. Now that you have your destination page saved to Favorites, return to the original page with the content you want to move. Here, you'll need to put on your selection hat. Start by highlighting the blocks or even entire subpages you're looking to transfer. One of the great things about Notion is that this process is incredibly visual and intuitive. Once your content is selected, you will perform a drag and drop maneuver onto the designated page in your sidebar. As you drag, keep an eye on the sidebar. You'll notice the favorited page appearing as you hover over it. Simply drop the content there. It's worth noting that Notion moves everything as is, which means it retains the original formatting and doesn't rename any subpages or alter your layout. This aspect is incredibly beneficial because it maintains your workflow and structure integrity, saving you time and extra work restructuring your content afterward. When the content has been successfully transferred, you might want to spend a bit of time rearranging things within the destination page itself. Since everything has been moved without changes, you might find that a bit of adjustment can optimize how everything is displayed or accessed, especially if you're adding content to an already extensive setup. And there you have it. This method ensures a smooth and efficient transfer process, enabling you to move items between Notion pages while keeping your productivity high. With practice, these few steps will become second nature, allowing you to seamlessly manage and organize your workspace in Notion effortlessly. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, these tips should help enhance your experience, giving you the flexibility and control you need over your digital documents. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.